The Hogtunes 352F-AA front speakers are expertly crafted to fit Harley-Davidson motorcycles from the years 1998 to 2013, ensuring a perfect match for these iconic bikes. These speakers are designed to deliver high-quality sound that can easily overcome the noise of the road, providing clear audio even at highway speeds. With a 2-ohm configuration and advanced woofer design, the speakers offer rich bass and superior sound performance at any volume level. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free, as the package includes all necessary components, allowing you to use either factory grills or optional Hogtunes metal mesh grills. The speakers boast a rugged construction and weatherproof design, ensuring they can handle the rigors of motorcycle riding without compromising on durability. Backed by a 20-year warranty, these speakers promise long-lasting performance and peace of mind for riders who demand high-quality audio on their journeys.